Important dictation for Patna High Court. Get ready, start. The judiciary is the branch of government responsible for interpreting and applying the law. It is a cornerstone of any democratic society, ensuring that justice is administered fairly and impartially. The primary role of the courts and judges is to resolve disputes, whether they are between individuals, corporations, or the state itself. A key feature of a robust judiciary is its independence. This means it must be free from any influence or pressure from the other branches of government, the legislature, and the executive. The structure of the judiciary is typically hierarchical. At the apex is the Supreme Court, which is the final court of appeal and has the ultimate authority on legal matters. Below the Supreme Court are high courts, which often have jurisdiction over a state or province. At the base of this pyramid are the subordinate courts, such as district courts, where most cases are initially heard. This tiered system allows for a process of appeal, enabling parties to challenge decisions in a higher court. One of the most significant powers of the judiciary is judicial review. This is the power to examine the actions of the legislative and executive branches to determine whether they are constitutional. If a law or action is found to violate the Constitution, the judiciary can declare it void. This mechanism ensures that no branch of government oversteps its authority. The judiciary also plays a vital role in protecting the fundamental rights of citizens, acting as the ultimate guardian of the country's foundational legal document. In essence, the judiciary serves as the ultimate arbiter in legal matters and a protector of individual liberties. It ensures that the rule of law prevails, meaning everyone, including the government, is subject to and accountable under the law. By resolving conflicts peacefully and upholding the Constitution, the judiciary maintains social order and public confidence in the legal system. Its function as a check on power is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance that defines a modern democracy and the separation of powers. Stop.